Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's video we have three big wild animals. We have a reindeer, big cow and a big horse. So let's start the video. Our first animal is cheetah. It usually chases its prey at only about half that speed. However, after a chase, a cheetah needs half an hour to catch its breath before it can eat. Second animal is panther. Black panthers are large felines that come from the big cat family. They have strong and flexible bodies, long tails which give them good balance, and they are powerful hunters with sharp teeth and claws. And the next animal is tiger. Tigers are the largest of the world's big cats. Male tigers can weigh up to 300 kilograms and measure nearly 13 feet 4 meters in length. And the next animal is black bear. Black bears are about 3 feet high when standing on all 4 feet and 5 feet to 7 feet tall when standing upright. Next animal is bear. Bears are good at climbing and swimming. They have a large brain which makes them very intelligent. And the next animal is lion. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. Lions scent mark their territory using their wee to create a border. And the next animal is the clever animal wolf. They travel together for food and safety, making them an intimidating force. It takes up 2 years to get to its full-grown adult size. And the next animal is panda. These baby bears are blind and completely helpless. After 2 weeks, they start growing hair and their eyes open at 3 weeks. Next animal is rat. Rats are very clean and rarely hate getting dirty. Rats are excellent climbers, jumpers and swimmers. And the next animal is rhinoceros. Rhinoceroses have thick grey or brown skin. The white rhinoceros is a lighter grey than the others. And the next animal is moose. The flap of skin under a moose's chin is called a bell. Moose are called rubber-nosed swamp donkeys. And the next animal is camel. There are two types of camel. The most expensive camel was sold for $53 million. And the next animal is duck. A duck is a small type of swimming bird with a short neck and legs. And the next animal is goose. Geese are large birds with loud honking calls along with ducks and swans. They belong to a group of birds called waterfowl. And the next animal is horse. Horses have been domesticated for over 5,000 years. Horses are herbivorous plant eaters. Horses have bigger eyes than any other mammal that lives on land. And the next animal is zebra. Zebras stick together in herds. Within a herd, zebras tend to stay together in smaller family groups. Next animal is elephant. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. Male African elephants can reach 3 meters tall and weigh between 4,000 to 7,500 kg. And the next animal is reindeer. Reindeer stand about 2 to 5 feet, 0.6 to 1.5 meters high at the shoulder. They can weigh as much as 700 pounds, 320 kilograms. And the next animal is the barking animal dog. They only sweat from their paws and have to cool down by panting. And the next animal is the cutest animal, sheep. Sheep are herbivorous. This means their diet consists mostly of grass, plants and seeds. Female sheep are called ewes and males are called rams. Next animal is reindeer. They can weigh as much as 700 pounds, 320 kilograms. They have thick coats of brown, grey or whitish fur. Their feet have wide hooves. And our second last animal is the beautiful animal goat. Many species of wild goats are endangered. Goats are often farmed for their milk and cheese. And our last animal is cow. Cows can gum you but can't bite because they do not have front upper teeth.